How to log in Telegram with Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have installed the latest version of Telegram application. As you can see on the screen, we do not have any updates available, so we have already installed the latest version of Telegram application. So let's tap on open. And as you tap on open, it will land us to the main page of Telegram application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now the main page looks something like this over here. So let's tap on start messaging over here. What it says is to allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm the phone number. So we can tap on continue as well. Now what it generally needs is your phone number and your country code. That's the only possible way that we have get the access to log in or to create an account on Telegram. So unfortunately, in order to log in Telegram, we only require phone number, not Gmail ID. So we cannot log in with Gmail ID. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.